to turn and try their attack on the credibility of the key government witness today. Fox 8's Dave Nethers covering the trial for us. He joins us live tonight. Dave, this was a chance for the attorneys to try to score some points of their own.
Yes, it was, Lou, and it seems that they tried to land jabs rather than try to throw that knockout punch today as they literally just picked apart this week's testimony of J. Kevin Kelly. Bill, happy to finally have a bite of the apple here with Kevin Kelly?
Well, there'll be a few questions for him today.
Defense attorneys for Jimmy Damore and co-defendant Michael Gabor continue their attempt on Friday to punch holes in the testimony of J. Kevin Kelly, a key government witness in the corruption trial of the former commissioner. Attorneys found discrepancies in his testimony, picking apart pieces of statements Kelly made to FBI agents and drawing attention to Kelly's admitted health problems. In his cross-examination of Kelly Friday, attorney Lee Christman asked, "You hallucinated and heard voices," to which Kelly answered, "I would be in my basement sleeping, trying to sleep, but wake up occasionally hearing things." Kelly admits being a part of or knowing firsthand about many of the accusations of the criminal indictment of Damore, testifying this week about trips to casinos, taking and paying bribes for government jobs, helping rig an election, work he saw being done at Damore's independent's house. Before starting,
It stops when they hit it.
discredited much of what Kelly
When they hit the
has said.
screen, it
It's
stops.
been the longest week sitting there since Monday to hear him spewing his nonsense and not get a chance to get up and talk to him. So I'm really looking forward to today. I mean, this is my chance to get to talk to him, to get to the bottom of it.
Kelly testified that he benefits from his cooperation with the FBI, meeting with them some 200 times. Christman asked at one point if Kelly was aware of how much money he personally made from bribes and kickbacks in his admitted 11 schemes. Kelly answered, quote, "I don't have an exact number. I'm not proud of it."